5 simple reasons why I think project management is for you. Architect ka or engineer, pero pagod ka na. Ayaw mo na yung puyat, overtime, pero ayaw mo namang umalis sa trabaho mo. Unang-unang dahilan, kapag project manager ka, you no longer have deadlines. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ikaw na as an owner, as a representative of the owner, ang magbibigay ng mga deadlines. Con naman doon is that you have to worry about the budget. You have to worry about everyone's pay. You have to make sure everyone gets paid and that you still have a budget at the end of the day para mapatapos ang trabaho mo. At ikalawang dahilan, you no longer need to worry about coordinating other consultants. As an architect or an engineer, sometimes we are given the task to coordinate all the other sub-consultants. Depende kung anong klaseng project yan. Takit yan sa ulo. You know that. Minsan kasi being the prime consultant, you have to worry about your client's needs, and then you also have to worry about making sure na lahat ng iyong mga consultants alam kung ano yung mga changes na mangyayari. Third reason, don't forget to like and give me a follow. I live here in Canada and I have been here for 20 years. I am a registered architect and I can tell you about my experience living here in Canada. If you like, just comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto ninyong pag-usapan. You no longer have to worry about presenting to a client or to look for projects. Minsan, yung mga depende sa position mo na. Sa company, if you're working in a private firm, you have to look for a job. Lalo na yung mga associates. At saka, if you are a partner, you have to worry about getting jobs and making sure that everyone stays afloat. Although, ang pro naman sa pagkakaroon ng ganong klaseng trabaho, working on the firms, tapos naging principal ka or associate, walang cap yung salary mo. Kasi minsan yung mga ganyan, meron silang mga bonuses. Kapag nagtrabaho ka sa client side, depende kung saan. If you ended up working for the government, there's no such thing as bonuses. At may cap ang mga salary namin. Although, masasabi ko lang maganda ang retirement plans kapag nagtrabaho ka sa gobyerno as a project manager. Kaapat, yung physical and mental work will be drastically lessened kasi hindi na ikaw ang consultant na gagawa ng ganitong trabaho. You will hire consultants who will do this job for you. You will still have a say sa design, pero the consultants will do the job for you. This is one of the reasons kung bakit I chose to become a project manager kasi hindi na rin ako bumabata and then mayroon akong anak. Tapos naisip ko, I mean, what is this for kung hindi ko rin lang maalagaan yung anak ko? I mean, I'm not taking care of him full-time now, but at least now that I'm a PM, I have more time for him. At saka may time na rin ako na lumabas sa gabi after work kasama yung mister ko. And sometimes we go for coffee. I have a better work-life balance, if you may. Kaya gustong-gusto ko ang trabahong ito. Isipin mo ha, ikaw ang nagbibigay ng deadline. That means you will go home on time. You don't have to do overtime. And then, kung sa tingin mo naman you wanna do more, you can do a side job. If you want, like you do a small business on the side if you want. I hope you give me a follow and subscribe para marami pa tayong mapagkwentuhan. Ikalima, hindi na magsasakit ang ulo mo kapag nauubos na ang budget sa design ng iyong mga projects. Kasi, kung naiisip ninyo, kung naalala ninyo, kapag yung isang project is nasa schematic design, usually marami mang pera yan. Tapos, yung mga architects, mga designers, they use up the fees para ma-please yung client. Hindi napapansin ng client at nung architect na paubos na pala yung fees. And ang mangyayari nun, later on, yung mga techs wala nang allotted time to finish the job na kailangan nilang gawin. Usually kasi iba yung designer dito, iba pa yung technologist na magtatapos ng mga drawings sa construction documentation. Kapag hindi malakas ang loob ng partner o ng associate na nakakuha ng job na humingi ng extra fees dahil sa mga reasons na yon, ang magsasuffer yung project at yung mga tech sa dulo. And being a project manager, you don't have to worry about this one. All you need to do is to have to listen to them kapag sinasabi nila, oh, we ran out of funds. And nasa sayo yun kung bibigyan mo sila ng extra o hindi. Ang con dyan ay yung iba na gustong-gusto nila yung rendering. Mamimiss mo yun if you become a PM kasi you will have other people to do the rendering at mga design and all that. Meron ka pa rin input. Like sasabihin mo sa kanila kung ano ang gusto mo. And then they will just do the changes and there's nothing wrong with that. Yung iba lang kasi gusto nila yung on-hand na nilalabas nila yung kanilang creative juices at nilalagay sa papel and all that. You won't have. I hope this helps and tell me, para sa iyo ba ang project management or are you still very much happy in the job that you are in right now, designing and drawing and all that? Kasi yung iba, they don't mind doing that, guys. It's their life. Some people live to become architects and designers and there is nothing wrong with that. I am just giving you an option in case na you feel the same way as I did. I hope that you have a beautiful day.